In this video, we're sharing invaluable tips tailored specifically for women traveling solo. We'll discuss crucial safety measures and empowering insights to help you navigate your adventures confidently. Whether you're an experienced traveler or planning your first solo getaway, we offer practical advice for a rewarding experience. Get ready to unleash your adventurous spirit and learn how to travel smart while savoring every moment of your journey. Tip number 1. Research your destination. Conducting thorough research before your solo journey is essential. Familiarize yourself with local customs, cultures, and laws. This awareness helps you avoid miscommunication and shows respect for the community. Identifying safe neighborhoods and accommodations can significantly enhance your travel experience, giving you a sense of comfort and security. Also, review travel advisories and health guidance to stay informed about any risks. Such preparation lays the foundation for an enjoyable journey. Tip number 2. Pack smart. Efficient packing plays a vital role in a successful solo adventure. Opt for versatile clothing that can be mixed and matched. This allows you to travel light while maintaining a stylish appearance. Remember to include vital safety items, such as a whistle, pepper spray, or personal alarm for extra peace of mind. Traveling light enables smoother navigation through airports and public transportation, enhancing your overall travel experience. Tip number 3. Stay connected. Maintaining connections while traveling alone is crucial for your safety and reassurance. Share your itinerary with friends or family so they are aware of your movements and can check on you. Use apps like WhatsApp for seamless communication and Google Maps to navigate unfamiliar places. Consider purchasing a local SIM card to ensure consistent communication throughout your journey. Staying connected not only boosts safety, but also enriches your travel experience. Tip number 4. Trust your instincts. Listening to your instincts is critical when traveling solo. If a situation feels off, don't hesitate to remove yourself. Being aware of your environment and trusting your gut feelings can help you avoid hazards. Assertiveness is important when confronted with unwanted attention. Prioritize your comfort and stand firm. Always remember, your instincts are a powerful ally in guiding you towards safer travel experiences. Tip number 5. Choose accommodations wisely. Selecting safe and welcoming accommodations is paramount for solo female travelers. Choose reputable hotels or hostels with positive reviews from other solo women to ensure a friendly atmosphere. Consider opting for female-only dorms for added security and comfort. Check for 24-hour reception and security features before booking, as these can enhance your safety while traveling. Tip number 6. Blend in. To avoid attracting unnecessary attention while traveling alone, make an effort to blend in. Dress like a local to reduce your visibility as a tourist, which enhances your safety. Avoid flashy jewelry and expensive gadgets that could attract thieves. Learning a few key phrases in the local language improves communication and shows respect for the culture, making you less likely to be targeted. Tip number 7. Stay sober. Being mindful of your alcohol consumption is important for solo travelers. Limit your intake to stay aware of your surroundings, ensuring your safety. Always keep an eye on your drinks to prevent tampering. Choose reputable bars or restaurants known for their safety and quality when you wish to enjoy a drink. By being cautious, you can fully immerse yourself in your experience while safeguarding your well-being. Tip number 8. Use transportation wisely. Selecting safe transportation options is essential for those traveling solo. Research local transportation methods and their safety records to make informed choices. Instead of hailing random taxis, use reputable ride-sharing apps for added security and tracking features. Whenever possible, avoid traveling alone at night to reduce potential risks. Being strategic about transportation enhances your safety and creates a more comfortable travel experience. Tip number 9. Connect with other travelers. Networking with fellow travelers can significantly enrich your solo journey. Look for travel groups or forums to connect with individuals who share your love for adventure. Consider joining group tours, which provide safety in numbers and a shared experience. Additionally, use social media to meet other solo female travelers. This can offer valuable tips, friendships, and possibly even travel companions, enhancing your trip. Tip number 10. Stay healthy. Maintaining your health during travel is crucial for an enjoyable experience. Carry a basic first aid kit to handle minor injuries or illnesses. Staying hydrated and eating balanced meals can help you keep your energy levels high, allowing you to enjoy your adventures to the fullest. Familiarize yourself with nearby hospitals or clinics for emergencies. Prioritizing your health enables you to make the most of your solo travel journey. Tip number 11. Keep important documents safe. It is critical to secure important travel documents to ensure a smooth journey. Make copies of your passport, ID, and travel insurance documents as backups. Store the originals securely, such as in a hotel safe, while carrying copies separately. For added security, consider using a money belt or hidden pouch to keep vital documents close while you explore. Tip number 12. Learn local emergency numbers. Knowing local emergency contacts is crucial for your safety. Research police, fire, and medical service numbers in your destination, as they can differ greatly between countries. Save these numbers on your phone for quick access in emergencies. Familiarize yourself with the nearest embassy or consulate, as they can assist during serious issues. Tip number 13. Stay flexible. Being adaptable during your travels can enhance your experience. Be open to adjusting plans when circumstances change. Sometimes the best adventures come from unexpected shifts. Make room for spontaneous opportunities that can create unforgettable memories. Avoid overscheduling your itinerary to reduce stress and fully enjoy your journey. Staying flexible allows you to embrace the adventure fully. Tip number 14. Practice self-care. Focusing on your mental and emotional well-being while traveling is essential for fulfillment. Take breaks to reflect on your experiences, giving yourself time to process what you've encountered. Engage in activities that bring you joy, such as reading, meditating, or connecting with nature. Keeping a travel journal can be a great way to document your thoughts, helping you appreciate your journey. Tip number 15. Be cautious with social media. While sharing your travel adventures online is exciting, be mindful of potential risks. Avoid posting real-time updates that could reveal your exact location, making you vulnerable to unwanted attention. Instead, wait until after leaving a destination to share your experiences for added safety. To protect your privacy and improve your trip, change the privacy settings on your social media accounts to limit who can see your posts. Tip number 16. Embrace cultural differences. Understanding and respecting local cultures is vital for meaningful travel experiences. Take the time to learn about local norms and practices to avoid unintentionally offending anyone. Engaging in cultural customs can enrich your journey, deepening your connection with the community. Approach new cultures with an open mind and willingness to adapt, which fosters mutual respect and understanding. Tip number 17. Stay informed about local events. Being aware of local events can enrich your travel experience significantly. Check community calendars for festivals or activities during your visit, offering unique insights into the culture. Participating in local events allows you to engage with residents and create cherished memories. Before you go on your trip, make sure you are up to date on any safety advisories or comments. Tip number 18. Trustworthy Travel Insurance. Having reliable travel insurance is essential for a worry-free journey. Research and select a reputable travel insurance provider that meets your needs. Ensure your coverage includes medical emergencies and trip cancellations, which can heavily affect your plans. Keep a copy of your insurance policy and emergency contacts available for quick reference. With the right insurance, you can explore with confidence. Tip number 19. Document your journey. Capturing travel experiences is a wonderful way to create lasting memories. Take photos and videos throughout your adventures to preserve important moments. Consider blogging or vlogging to share your journey with others, inspiring fellow travelers while connecting with the broader community. Reflecting on your experiences enriches your personal growth and makes your journey even more significant. Tip number 20. Stay positive. Maintaining a positive mindset during your journey can significantly elevate your travel experience. Embrace the joys of travel, appreciating new sights, cultures, and connections without focusing on challenges. Practice gratitude for the experiences and lessons learned, as every moment contributes to your growth. Surround yourself with positivity through uplifting individuals or engaging activities. With a positive outlook, you'll create enduring memories and fully enjoy your adventure. In conclusion, solo female travelers are encouraged to emphasize safety, remain connected, and celebrate cultural differences for a fulfilling journey. Don't forget to research your destination, pack intelligently, and keep a positive outlook throughout your travels. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and explore our channel for more travel inspiration and advice.